smart bands are increasingly becoming a daily accessory that serves not just fitness, but also our fashion needs. That's why we're introducing our most fashionable smart band yet, Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro. It's a smart band that's going to let you step up your style. Starting, obviously, with a fresh new look. It features an all-new rectangular design for the first time on our band series. It gives off that refined and elegant vibe that looks great in any situation. And the look is made even better with a gloss-textured frame that not only looks amazing, but is also smooth and comfortable to the touch. Now, Band 7 Pro comes in our traditional 6-band colors, but this time is also launching with 2 special vegan leather bands, pine green and moon gray. But of course, Band 7 Pro doesn't just look good. It's also stepped up in functionality as well. With its huge AMOLED display, you can see more and do more than ever before. And for the first time, we're also introducing built-in route tracking on our bands to help you record your favorite jogging routes, cycling routes, without having to take your phone with you. Speaking of exercise, in addition to more than 110 sports modes, we're also introducing 10 tailored running courses that give you step-by-step guided running sessions to help take not just your fitness, but also your style to the next level. Band 7 Pro also comes with Alexa voice AI support, letting you use voice commands to access alarms, shopping lists, and most importantly, obviously, controlling your other smart home devices, like our Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X10 Plus. Why don't we take one last look at Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro.
Xiaomi.
Now, this is easily my favorite looking smart band. Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro is our most stylish smart band that lets you not just step up your style, but also your fitness. It comes with a massive 1.64-inch AMOLED display with a variety of different frames, bands, and watch faces. Band 7 Pro also introduces awesome new features, like built-in route tracking and on-the-go running courses, while still giving you incredible fundamentals, like a 12-day battery life and 5 ATM water resistance. Now, you'll be able to get Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro starting from just €99.